So grab your phone and let's dive into the tutorial. But before we begin, make sure your mobile data connection is enabled. You have a valid data package that allows internet access. First, head to the Play Store and search for SocksIP. If you haven't installed it, download and install it now. If you already have it, check for updates and install them to avoid any compatibility issues. If you've previously imported configurations, it's best to clear them before setting up UDP requests. Open SocksIP app. Tap the 3 vertical dots at the top right to open the menu. Select Import Export. Tap Reset Config to remove any old settings. This ensures a clean setup without any conflicts. Now let's set up UDP requests. On the left side of the screen, tap the gear icon to open Configuration Tunnel mode. Select Request Tunnel, then choose UDP Request from the drop-down menu. Tap Configure UDP Request to open the settings window. Now do the following. UDP Request type, set it to Free Server. Enable binding by checking the box. Under End Support, enter 655535 and tap Save Settings. Now let's choose a server. Tap the crown icon at the top right. Select a server from the list. You'll need to watch a short ad to unlock it. Once the ad finishes, tap Close. That's it, your server is now loaded. Head back to the main screen. Tap the Start button to connect. If an ad pops up, wait and skip it when possible. You're now connected. Open a browser and test your connection by visiting a website. Now let's export your configuration so you can share it with others. First, disconnect from the VPN. Tap the 3 dots in the top right. Select Import, Export, Export. Allow SocksIP to access files if prompted. Customize your export settings. Name your configuration file. Lock your file to prevent others from modifying it. You can block access based on payload, host, proxy, or server settings. Hardware ID to restrict usage on a specific device. Wi-Fi access so it only works on mobile data. Rooted Android phones. Add a custom message to show when someone connects. When done, tap Export Config to save your settings. Wondering where your exported files are? Open File Explorer on your phone. Go to Internal Storage. Find and open the SocksIP folder. All your exported configurations will be saved there. That's it for this quick and easy UDP setup tutorial in SocksIP. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.